You need to know when to exit, man. You always need, in any strategy, any investment strategy requires 3 numbers. Okay, here's a little tidbit of gold for you right now. All investment strategies require 3 numbers to actually be a strategy. Number 1, the number that you want to enter the transaction at. So have that predetermined. It's whatever that number is. You need to know it.
Yeah.
Okay. Number 2, what number are you happy exiting at? Right? What is your end game? You need to know that. You don't ride it till the wheels fall off. You need to have an exit, you know. Have your exit plan. Now here's the next thing. At what number do you exit if it goes the wrong way? So what number are you comfortable losing? Right? When do I pull the plug? Right. Those are the 3 numbers you need to know. Where do I enter? Where do I get out? And where do I pull the plug?
Yeah. And that's for any trade you do in any market or any asset.
Yeah, anything. Even if you go buy a car. Even if you go buy a car, if you see a for sale sign on a vehicle, you should know what that vehicle's worth before you go. Look it up. Do your DYOR. Do your own research. Go check it out and find out how much that car is supposed to be worth, Blue Book value, and then go with a number expected in mind. And say to yourself, as long as it's between this range, I'm cool with it. I'm not going to let them talk me up, right? None of that kind of stuff. Okay, so that's number 1. Know what price you're going to enter. All right, so now you've gone and you've entered the negotiation, right? If the negotiation goes one way or another, you know where you're real happy taking it to. You're not going to overdo him because you don't want to screw him, right? You don't want to do that. So you know where you're happy coming to. You're like, all right, I'm good and I'm happy right here. That's my number. Now, what if you get the lemon? Right? What if you buy the car? At what point do you need to do something different? That number is generally at what number does it cost me to do the repair? Is it more or less than the vehicle that I just purchased, right? If I take this number and put it back, the comfortable loss number, right? If I can lose this amount putting into it, will it give me the return to where I can keep rolling? If it doesn't, then you have to pull the plug. You just done. You sell the vehicle now. You sell it now, cut your losses before it's shot, right? That's the whole point. So that's a real life scenario of 3 numbers working.
Okay.